Right, chickens, continuing on with Samuel's Skyline. He has purchased a new turb ski. That's a new one, isn't it, Samuel? Yeah. A hybrid, second hand, but it's better. It's in better state than this one, and is a hybrid. So when we're there, we might as well upgrade stuff. What else did you buy, Samuel?
I've got some free injectors and a rail.
Oh yeah, free injectors with it. Oh, and a new downpipe, because obviously the screw and plate, he bought that stock turbo elbow, which is poop, because it restricts the flow, which we have to do later on when he was going to buy an aftermarket one. But he's managed to get a turbo elbow, downpipe, and decap all in one, so less places for it to leak. But yeah, we're just swapping a few bits over onto this turbo because we got like braided lines for the oil feeds and stuff that go. You have to put different fittings in. But yeah, other than that, we're going to wang it on, and hopefully it doesn't sound like a shed anymore. New turb ski. Going in. Boys, cracking on. New turbos on, brand new second-hand turbos on, all the fittings are on. We managed to get the, we got another braided line, the coolant return. We had a braided line for that, but we never bothered doing it last time because it was too much of a pain in the ass to get around the back of the engine. But we did it this time, so now we've got braided lines on the return and the feed. And a new shiny downpipe look. No more screamer, just need to do those bolts up obviously, and then come and fit back in. Sam's on the other side doing the coolant return, which is a faff because your stock intake's a pain in the day. Boots all plumbed in, all the boost pipes back on, downpipe hooked up, nice and shiny. Yeah, let's see if it sounds better and works and runs properly. My little Buttes, he's all together. Let's see how he runs. Stored him, Samuel. Sounds like it should do. Don't feel any leaks. That's nice. What's that? Coolant? Yeah. Sam's doing the cold side, I was on the hot side, so it's his fault. Oh, it's only there, look. Sounds much better. Still lining a bit funny, but it's been sat for a few weeks. Yeah, boy! Happy, Sam? That is it, boys. The car is sorted. Oh, it's a bit funny, but we think we just need to give the old spark plugs a clean because it's been running dodgy. So we're going to give them a clean another day, but give it a test drive now. Like and subscribe to the channel if you've done so already. So catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Yes, sir.